District Magistrate Abhilash Baranwal Ulapanjari de Kakandon An Shispa Handrupulai BNS Nakabanta Bankang Persha Ikikali Kitkhia Bakinya Lyngba Jinkiang Kabadan Hasurok Mawskei Shamaudan Haribhoi Sepni Dakabaong Bakati Jinkiang Kalaban Kilam Hakanukanukapor Ladabteng Banya Kitrok Bakitkhia Habayadi berkati ke jing penjari kati ke kenduan an district magistrate keri bhoi ulong bak jing penjari ke de hatian bala ujor da UEE katnat PWD nongpo division hakabala ong bakati ke jingkiang kaladan jingma kabala ban klem kaban wan ra jing pat hakalet kawan kipat ba Habaya Grange kilat batai kubor district magistrate keri bhoi Abhilash Baranwal ulong bagani ke jing penjari kani ke section shispa handrio pulai BNS kadi ben pet ngore kati ke jingkiang balakhang persha iki kali ki bakit khia palat ya ka khandai ton kat kum lingba kati ke jing penjari kandan an district magistrate ulong balakhang persha ikinu kinu ki kali ki bakit khia balada don ki baile persha lada kilap kinsha penstom kat kum kati ke kandan an
One report from PWD Roads wherein they said that there is one particular bridge on that Mawskei Maham road which was constructed way back in 80s, and the sanctioned load on that bridge is 9 ton, and the condition of that bridge is also not very good. So they have requested us to impose prohibitive orders to ensure that there is no heavy vehicular movement on that bridge. So accordingly, to prevent the integrity of the bridge as well as to prevent any untoward incident, we have imposed section 163 of BNSS to ensure that no heavy vehicular movement takes place on that.